What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Rainbow's Random Tech Tuesdays. Excuse the 3D printer running in the background for this video, as this video is going to be about the 3D printer. I figured since I'm currently working on a project for the 3D printer, and the 3D printer is currently working on a project for me, why not use the 3D printer as my source of content for this week? Well, that being said, you too can have a 3D printer for just a low price of between $150 and $200. There's been a pretty good sale going on online for the printer that I run, which is the Ender 3 from Creality, for around $150, which, in my opinion, is dirt cheap to get into such a fun and interesting and absolutely useless hobby. I say useless because I have yet to print anything that is actually actively useful. But you get really cool stuff like this. I am currently in the process of printing out my own Mandalorian helmet so that I too can know the way. But yeah, 3D printers, the cost has come down so far at this point that it's honestly, if it's something you're interested in, it's available now. It's cheap enough. It's financially reachable. And filament, I mean, I think I paid $20 a spool for a 1 kilogram spool on Amazon, which is, I have no idea if that's cheap in the grand scheme of things. Maybe there's better deals out there. But I'll tell you what, it's a pretty good deal. For $20, I can make a bunch of random stuff. I mean, I just printed a Sub-Zero mask because I watched the new Mortal Kombat movie. That's pretty cool. I'll show off the printer here, and you can see what I'm currently working on there. But on top of that, at the moment, I'm working on setting up my Raspberry Pi. For those of you who don't know what a Raspberry Pi is, it's a very tiny computer with a screen and some software and some other hardware to allow me to control my 3D printer from my computer or from my phone through the network as opposed to directly at the 3D printer. And just for you guys, I got a camera set up with it so that I can start doing time lapses of my prints. So if 3D printing is something you're interested in, I think I'm going to start a series of what am I 3D printing this week with a little time lapse of what I've printed, because why not? A couple of quick facts about the Ender 3 from Creality. It is a 230mm by 230mm by 250mm print bed. It's not huge. You definitely have to cut up any of your bigger prints, but it's not too small. It works out well. It prints pretty fast, but definitely not the fastest. The coolest part of buying a 3D printer, and especially like the Ender 3, is that the first prints you do are upgrades for the printer, which it's just crazy to me. Like, I'm going to buy this product, and then I'm going to use this product to make things to make this product better. Guys, if you continue to enjoy my content, please comment, subscribe, like the video. Go comment on this video and tell me what you want to see for our next video. This video was difficult for me to come up with some content. I'm not going to lie. Definitely not sure what I should be doing. Definitely not sure what I want to be putting out for videos or what the topic should be right now. So if you have a suggestion, please feel free to comment down below. Share the video, share the channel, tell your friends. Stuff. Stay classy out there, San Diego.